Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from the three different decks, guys. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Pisces. The Chariot. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you have come to certain kind of conclusion, maybe in your work or in your relationship. What to say? You have decided, okay, for what it is. You have the conclusion about the relationship, okay. Maybe whether you want it or you do not want to be in the relationship, okay. And maybe what to say, you have in your work, you are completing something, okay. Whatever you were thinking, you're completing that cycle. So that is the energy here, guys. Some of you all, you may be successful in whatever you have started, okay, and you have completed that, and you're getting some new offers also. Something maybe in your relationship, a new person is approaching you or something of that sort, if you are single. Or maybe if you are in a relationship, maybe this person is offering you something, okay. Maybe a proposal, and you are having few doubts regarding that. You are just waiting to make your decision. You're not what to say, confident enough to take the next step. You are just thinking over, not accepting whatever choice is being offered to you. But something is coming towards you, you're not accepting it. That is the energy here, Pisces. And you're maybe this connection, yeah, maybe it is a destined connection, guys, okay. And everything happens for a reason. So this may be what is it, whatever is happening is destined to happen. So that is the energy here, Pisces. Let me pick out three more cards, guys, to give us a better clarity of your situation. I feel someone new is approaching you, but right now you are what to say, just now you have completed something. Maybe you are out of a breakup and you don't have the interest to take up that proposal, or maybe in your work you don't want to take up something new. Let me pick three cards from this deck. Child, Pisces, with these cards, I feel because of all the negative energies, emotions you were having in the past regarding this kind of situation, you are just not strong enough to take the step forward. But you are presented with opportunities, okay, some things attainable, okay, to reach your goal. You are being guided to the path to reach your goal, but you are what to say, scared to step in and take up that what to say, take up that chance to reach your goal. So all you have to do is give up your preconceived ideas regarding anything and accept the situation with the freshness, guys. With approach it just as a new person with a new heart, okay, with inexperience. Once you do that, once you keep away all the negative feelings and emotions you had in the past, you will overcome the you will be able to decide properly. That is the energy here, Pisces. For some of you all, you may be into some kind of creative endeavor. You may be making a move into a different career, guys. That may be related to some kind of creative activity, I feel. So that is the energy here, Pisces. You have to what to say, act spontaneously, just like a newcomer in any situation. Just take up what you feel is intuitively right in your heart. With these cards, I feel you will surely be guided by your intuition, and you will know in your heart what is the choice, guys, what action you should take. So you will be guided by your intuition, guys. So that is the energy here. Let me pick out one more card. Let's see what's coming up from this other deck. Forgiveness, Pisces. That is the energy I was talking about. You should just let go of the past and start fresh. Okay, fresh start is here, guys, for you all. Someone new is approaching you. Something really good is going to happen. So you just wait for it, okay? And you, in order to receive that, you have to give up your past. Whatever has happened, you should forgive and forget, okay? Forgive yourself and forgive the person involved in that situation, and move forward with your life. So that way you will begin to heal yourself, and you will just take the lessons from the experience, guys, and you will leave all the negativity behind. So all the grudges and resentment you had and the anger, you just need to give it up, Pisces. So that is the energy here, Pisces. That is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Pisces. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.